1. Enteronephric nephridia of earthworm are concerned with A. Excretion, B. Respiration, C. Digestion, D. Osmoregulation. A is the correct answer. 2. Portuguese man of war is A. Soldier of World War I, B. Portuguese soldier, C. A sponge, D. A polymorphic colonial Coelenterata. D is the correct answer. 3. Which one of the following pairs of items correctly belongs to the category of organs mentioned against it? Nephridia of earthworm and Malpighian tubules of cockroach excretory organs. B. Wings of honeybee and wings of crow homologous organs. C. Thorn of bougainvillea and tendrils of cucurbita analogous organs. D. Nictitating membrane and blind spot in human eye vestigial organs. A is the correct answer. 4. Read the following statements. A. Metagenesis is observed in helminths. B. Echinoderms are triploplastic and coelomate animals. C. Roundworms have organ system level of body organization. D. Foam plates present in ctenophores help in digestion. E. Water vascular system is characteristic of echinoderms. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. C, D and E are correct. B. A, B and C are correct. C. A, D and E are correct. D. B, C and E are correct. D is the correct answer. 5. Which one of these animals is not a homeotherm? A. Psittacula, B. Macropus, C. Camellus, D. Shillong. D is the correct answer. 6. Bilaterally symmetrical and acoelomate animals are exemplified by A. Annelida, B. Ctenophora, C. Platyhelminthes, D. Aschelminthes. C is the correct answer. 7. Select the taxon mentioned that represent both marine and freshwater species. A. Echinoderms, B. Ctenophora, C. Cephalochordata, D. Cnidaria. D is the correct answer. 8. Which one of the following pairs of animals comprises jawless fishes? A. Mackerels and dodo, B. Lampreys and hagfishes, C. Guppies and hagfishes, D. Lampreys and eels. B is the correct answer. 9. Mark the correct one. A. Labio, internal fertilization, B. Frog, internal fertilization, C. Birds, external fertilization, D. Balanoptera, internal fertilization. D is the correct answer. 10. Nephridia of earthworm are analogous to A. Nematoblast of hydra, B. Trachea of insects, C. Flame cells of planaria, D. Gills of prawn. C is the correct answer.